I'm currently short in dollar yen and long in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have trading top down, starting here in dollar yen. So here in dollar yen, starting on the daily chart, we get, this is yesterday's candle, this is day before yesterday's candle. Yesterday's candle trades above day before yesterday's candle, but closes back inside the range of day before yesterday's candle. This gives me a sell side drawn liquidity. Then if we come over here to the 4-hour chart, we can see price action here gave a body candle close in this candle here to the buy side, creating buy side delivery or a bullish price action here on the 4-hour. Then here on the 1-hour chart, price action here gives a body candle close here below this swing low here, triggering sell side delivery, so bearish price action here on the 1-hour chart. Also here we have a bearish fair value gap, so a bearish fair value gap and a body candle close structure shift here. So on the 1-hour we have trending market conditions. And then here on the 15-minute chart, here we get these body candle closes here below these levels and price action trading to the sell side. So bearish conditions here on the 15-minute. So with a daily drawn liquidity to the sell side and 2 out of the 3 other charts that I have showing sell side delivery or bearish conditions, this triggered a short trade for me. And if I shift over to my execution charting, we can see here where I've taken the position. I'll walk you through here. Here on the hourly, you can see there's a position that I took last night. I got faked out or FOMO'd. I'll show you here briefly here on the 1-hour. There's this bearish fair value gap here. Price traded just within like a pip of it, and then gave this here on the 5-minute. Gave this market structure shift here, but you can see price turned around here and swept that area. Actually, my bad. It did give a market structure shift there, but it also gave one here, and this is where I took the entry and then was stopped out. And you can see it did the same thing here, and then came back and stopped out here. But this price action here never traded into this 1-hour bearish fair value gap here. So that was the issue with this trade. And since I'm new to this system, trying to figure out exactly positionings as far as in taking positions and how I want to manage these positions, but I wasn't certain if price could get close to a fair value gap and still deliver, or if price actually had to trade into it. But now I'm sticking to making sure that price reaches into the fair value gap before I will validate a position. So that would eliminate taking those unnecessary losses in those positions. But you can see here on the hourly chart that price here during the London session is trading in the in this 1-hour fair value gap range. So the price is actually in position. And then if you see on the 5-minute, when the or this is the kill zone here, the London kill zone, and here in the London kill zone we get this price action here where price comes up, sweeps out this buy side liquidity resting up here, and then price starts to deliver to the sell side, puts in this swing low right here. When that swing low gets put in, price pulls back to this bearish fair value gap and then delivers to the sell side again, putting in this level here, which would be a market structure shift here to the sell side. And when that level gets put in, I set a limit order for this swing low. Price pulled back pretty aggressively, and my entry was in this candle just a little bit above where the swing low limit entry. So I got a slightly better price than anticipated. And we'll see now what price wants to do going forward. You can see this area here just mostly looks consolidated here. And you can see the current price action here. Even though price action is delivering overall to the sell side, it's pretty messy here. And you can see since the entry, since this market structure shift level, price has just consolidated below the level and is now just consolidating here above the level. And then for a stop loss, we'll come over here to the 1 hour chart. So my stop loss, well, this is my ticket right here. You can see my stop loss is 156.188. Take profit 155.341. And this was my entry here, 155.995. But on the charts here, you can see stop loss is based off of this swing high here, which is the swing high from the 1 hour and the 15-minute chart, or definitely the 1 hour. I think the swing high on the 15-minute chart may be right here on the 5-minute chart. But this is based off of this swing high here off of the 60-minute chart at the very least. And for take profit, we'll come up here to the daily chart. And here you can see take profit is the low. Take profit here is the low of yesterday's candle. I could go for the rebalance here of this bearish fair value gap, which I may, if I am at my station when price, or if price reaches this point and I'm at my station, I may take a majority partial and may leave a runner on potentially for the rebalance of this fair value gap here on the daily chart. Then next up, there's Bitcoin. Bitcoin I entered during the Asian session. I'll walk you through what I have trading top down here. So here on the daily chart, this is yesterday's candle, and this is day before yesterday's candle. Yesterday's candle closes above day before yesterday's candle here with this body candle close here. So this gives me a buy side drawn liquidity, or a bullish, looking for bullish price action for buys here today. And then here on the 4 hour chart, you can see price action here start to deliver to the buy side. There's a body candle close here and a shift to the buy side here. Here's another one here, body candle close, a shift to the, or this would be a break of structure. So here getting a market structure shift here to the buy side, and then here getting a break of structure here. So seeing a shift or a reversal in trend here on the 4 hour, and then a continuation of that. Also getting these bullish fair value gaps here. So price showing delivery here to the buy side, and with body candle closes, so price is trending to the buy side here on the 4 hour chart. Then here on the 1 hour chart, getting this price action here where you're getting this body candle close above this swing high that's back here, and then continue price delivery here, and you have a string of fair value gaps here, of bullish fair value gaps. So body candle closure and fair value gaps being formed, so trending conditions here on the 1 hour chart. And then on the 15-minute chart, you can see here's the shift level, the market structure shift level with the body candle closes, and then you're getting this buy side delivery and getting some bullish fair value gaps coming in here. So a drawn liquidity to the buy side and all remaining time frames showing buy side delivery or bullish price action here. And then I'll walk you through my entry here on the 5 minute. So price action during the Asian session. So this was my overall dealing range here. And you can see price trading back into that range. So I'm looking for a market structure shift here to the buy side to realign the lower time frame to the higher time frames. And then we get this here. This body candle close above this 5 minute swing high here. So here is when I would want to set a limit order for here. But I had been watching the dollar yen pair and had taken my eyes off of this one for a little too long, and price had already gotten away from me. This happened yesterday. I missed a heartbreaker, a really big trade yesterday here on the daily. I had an opportunity to take this trade here, at least to this level from down here, and I missed that trade just by maybe 2 minutes and decided not to enter the position late and then watch that trade go without me. So today when I saw that price had already created the market structure shift that I needed for an entry, I went on and took an entry just in case price did not pull back. Price did pull back here, so I added in not a full size but a half size. So I went in full size here and then a half size here. And then you can see the sizes here, but based on the price differential here, the amount of position taken here is more substantial than the numbers would dictate. And then after these entries here and pullback, you get this buy side delivery, and this buy side delivery here sweeps out some relatively equal highs here. This high here and this high here. So this buy side liquidity here was swept out when these candles here traded up into this area and swept that liquidity, that buy side liquidity out of the market. Once that happens, or once that happened, price pulled back, delivered back here into my entry area. And tested my stop loss. So the stop loss on both of these are the same. So my stop loss is based on this swing low here, which is a 15-minute swing low, and then the difference here is the difference between the bid-ask spread here. So you can see my stop loss was tested there, and then I have the same stop loss for this higher position as well. And you can see price has traded down, tested my stop loss here, and has begun to deliver to the buy side here, putting in a market structure shift here to the buy side right here, and now right here, most recently putting in a break of structure here to the buy side. So showing a shift to buy side delivery and then continuation price action here. This break of structure, and we'll see if price wants to continue delivering here to the buy side. And then we'll have a look at my history here. So this is my history for today. I've only here at 259 only entered dollar yen for the sell, 18,300 in quantity, price 155.995. And then we can have a look at yesterday. So this is here. This is the trade on dollar yen that I FOMO'd in on. You can see the loss here. And then this is the Bitcoin trade. This is the Bitcoin trade here during the Asian session. So a buy 0.04. Then at 68,079.4, And then you can see the rest of the day here. Just a few trades throughout the day, a day on, or a win on dollar yen, loss on pound dollar, and then you got pound dollar a win here, and then euro dollar and Kiwi dollar wins here. So this was yesterday and today. I'll shift back to today. And you can see Bitcoin still showing some buy-side delivery here. Hop back over to dollar yen. See how it's holding up. See if we got a return to sell-side delivery here. And dollar yen seeing still consolidating here around my entry, but trading closer to it here, or at least for now. See, price is still just consolidating here, just one level up from the previous level of consolidation. You can see this level of consolidation here, this level of consolidation here, this level here. So you can just see just lots of areas of consolidation here where price is not really choosing a direction. So it's likely going to be a while before dollar yen makes a decision on which way it wants to go. In the meantime, I've got some things to take care of. So if you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Stay on tilt.